All right, so now we're going to do CAD 33. Now, CAD 33 is the connecting rod, okay? And everybody seems to have a little issue with this one. It's really not that hard. You're just doing a couple of circles, okay? And we're going to start. So it's in inches. And then we're going to do start our 2D sketch, go here. Now, I'm going to put the big end on this side, okay? So, I've got to have two circles, and they're going to be radius. Radius 1 and radius 1.25. And then we're going to come over here, I'm going to do two more circles. These are going to be diameter 1 and 1.25. And there we go. Now, they are 6.5 inches apart. Helps if you hit diameter first, or dimension, excuse me. 6.5. And there we go. Now, we're going to stop right here, and we're going to draw us a line right down the middle. And we'll just trim. So there's our first sketch now. See, I've got those two. Now we're going to extrude both of those. Right? And it's 1 inch, okay? But we're doing it like that. And okay, there's our first one. Now, come over here to origin, and we're going to do the XY plane, okay? Right down the center, new sketch. F7, I'm going to project this and this, and I'm just going to draw a rectangle between the two. Now, my rectangle, 0.375, and then the whole thing, 0.75. All right, so we've got that. Now, I need to fill it here, okay? So let's see if it'll do it. Fill it, 0.5. Pick and pick, no dice, okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get here to arc, and I'm gonna do a center point arc, and I'm just gonna draw it. All right, now I'm gonna try my fillet. And we have success, okay? Now, I'm going to delete this part of it. Keep that. All right, now on this end, I'm going to start here. I'm going to go up, come over, down, come back, and go up. Now, from here to here, this is 1.5. That, 0.25, this, 0.5, and this is 0.25. Okay, and that one, it doesn't matter. Now I'm going to just draw me a circle, radius 2. Tangent, and tangent. There we go. Now, I'm going to bring me a piece of line out here, and I'm going to trim it off right there. And I'm also going to trim this off. So there's my... Okay, now we can just grab this, move, base point, pick here. Yes, on the geometry. And there we go. We're done. Now we can trim this off. Delete that. And I'll delete this while we're at it, and I don't need that anymore, and I can trim this off as well. All right, looking pretty good so far. Now, I'm going to draw me a little piece of line right down the center here. Guess what for? Yeah, that's right, we're fixing to do this. Mirror. Mirror line, pick the mirror line, hit apply. Now we've got it on both sides, and we're done, okay? Now, everything should work. Let's give it a shot. Now, this time we're only going to get 0.5. So extrude. Hey, we're good. Let's go ahead and set this to 0.5. Make sure it's symmetric. Pick that, and we've got it. All right. So we're making pretty good progress, right? Let's go ahead and do this. Now, remember, this is the XY plane, right? Now I'm going to do a slide again. So rectangle, slide. All right, so from here to here is 2. And then this is 3. And then this is 0.25. And there's my slot. Just like that. Now, extrude. And this time we want to cut. And we're only going 1/8 of an inch. So that's 0.125. Cut. Notice I'm not saying through all. We just want it to be that. So that's one side. Now, remember, this is the XY plane coming across here. See? XY. All right? Mirror. Right there. Pick your feature. Mirror plane, XY. Hit OK. And when you flip it to the other side, there's the other one. Okay, so that's got both of them. Last thing to do is to get these ends. All we got to do is draw ourselves a couple of circles. One here. One here. Project. I think it's already projected, so we can trim. Trim that. Trim that. Okay, we're ready to go. Extrude. 2. That was between. This is 2. 2. And then just pick this face. Now to get both of them. All right, so we're almost done. One more thing to do. Got to get a hole in there. Hole. And our hole diameter is going to be 0.25. It's going to be one here. And one here. And as we go through all. All right, so there's it. Not hard at all. Go ahead and make it out of carbon steel. And we are done with the connecting rod. So let's go ahead. Properties. Connecting rod, update, so that we can get all our maths and everything like that. Hit OK. And we're done. Save as CAD 33. And of course, export so that we can turn it in. Export PDF, CAD 33, and save. All right, we'll see you for CAD 34, the tube hanger.